At TRX, the Exchange 106, Malaysia's second tallest building, demands security at the highest level. The Exchange 106 Auxiliary Police is an authorized security force under the Royal Malaysia Police, deployed to safeguard key national infrastructure, large-scale projects, and high-value assets. The auxiliary police at the Exchange 106 at TRX are responsible for patrols, security, and emergency response. Their mission depends on seamless communication, instant coordination, and reliable connection to the command center. To meet these operational needs, Hytera deployed a professional communication solution. The PNC380 PoC radio and the SC780 Bodyworn Camera enable daily voice communication among officers, ensuring clear instructions and rapid response. The SC780 also supports on-site photo and video recording. Together with the EDS30 docking station, all data is securely collected and centrally managed, enhancing both operational efficiency and accountability.
The Exchange 106 at TRX is a very complex environment, high foot traffic, mixed businesses activities, and extremely high expectation for safety and efficiency. For us, communication is really the backbone of security operations. If communication is not smooth, response time is immediately affected. After deploying the Hytera solutions, voice communication among officers became more clearer and more reliable. More importantly, with the SC780, we can now see what is happening on site, not just hear about it. This gives management a much better understanding of the situation and allow us to make faster, more accurate decisions. With centralized data management through EDS30, our operations are also more structured and accountable. Overall, it has significantly improved both efficiency and confidence in our daily security works.
For the command center, getting a clear picture quickly is critical. In the past, we mainly relied on voice description, which we not always visual enough. Now, with real-time video from the SC780, we can see what's happening on site directly, making decisions faster and more accurate. Voice communication through PNC380 and SC780 is also very stable, even in urgent situations. With centralized data management via EDS30, dispatching becomes much more evident and organized.
Hytera delivers reliable, professional critical communication solutions that form the operational foundation for security at the Exchange 106 at TRX. Hytera, innovate for a safer world.